Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel guys. So today guys, I'm going to unbox what I purchased in Zara. We have some Primark, Sainsbury's, IKEA. Actually finally I purchased the IKEA shoe rack. It's because I have here from Argos, but it's not enough and I feel like it's ugly, or it's a bench. It's a bench, and then, you know, last time I showed you, it's a bench, and then in the down you can put your shoes. But I don't want clutter now, so I don't want to see the shoes. And the bench we're not using also. We use the stairs to sit and put shoes, so it's useless. So I'm going to get rid of it. That's why I purchased the IKEA storage, and yeah, some and pots also from IKEA. Anyway, let's start with Zara first because I'm excited to see the trousers here, if it's fit to me. By the way, the one I'm wearing is from Zara also, and I like it really guys. I don't know if you like it, but I like it because it's very comfy. It's like stretchy, comfy, and the length of this is really good for me. This is crop flare, no, not flare, crop only, and for 5 feet like me, it's really nice. And I purchased one here which is white. Normally I like to wear white, but during winter or when it's raining I prefer blue or black, like that. And I don't like skinny jeans anymore. I have some trousers here which is the same, exactly the same color, but when I remove it I don't like you know, slowly, because it's skinny jeans. So I prefer like this, straight, like, yeah, straight they call it. So let's see if the white one is the same. Actually, I'm looking for this. Oh, this one is good already, but I'm still looking for white that is comfy as this and black, because I keep on buying and buying, but after 2 use or something like that, I feel like, oh, I don't like this one. It doesn't really, it's not nice, doesn't really fit me, something like that. So anyway, this is what I grabbed in Zara. We don't have so much sale. Let me see, when is the Black Friday? Black Friday. Oh, I don't know. I need to check because I need to purchase some sale items, or maybe I should not. First item is this. Okay, it's blue. I hope I like it. You know, I purchased one in H&M, that black and white. It's very nice first wash, but after second wash I didn't like it. It's like the dirt doesn't, you cannot remove. You know, I have like sometimes foundation and it went here, and it's like I feel like it's dirty white already. It's not white anymore. It's almost like this, but black and white. You can see in my previous haul. So I don't wear it that much, or I will wear it, but during summer I feel like I don't wear it. Or anyway, so let me try this one, H&M, sorry, Zara. So like that. How much is this? This is £22.99, but I feel like I'd sell. Maybe this is just 17, oh 19, I guess this is £19 or something. It should be sell. I doubt I'd buy it if it's not sell. Okay, so this one is £22.99, but I'm sure I purchased it for £19 also. So, oh my god, this is so small. Oh, this is small, but look at that. It's really small. Oh my god, it's like half of my body. This is small and half of my body, guys. Maybe it's stretchable. Ah, it's stretchable. Oh, okay, but still, you know, to be honest, right now I'm more into comfy. So when my dress, maybe it is comfy. I don't know. I will try it because it's stretchable. But look at that. Look at, let's see with my body. It's like if I don't stretch it, it's just, look. Oh my god, this is, okay, let's see later on. And this is the trouser, which is, yeah, this is the name really. Crop flare. And then 38. Let's see. Oh, okay, they are almost really the same, just the color. So I guess I will like it also, so I'm sure I will keep it, and then I will buy a black one, you know. Oh, looks nice. Because it's so comfy, guys. It's really comfy. I hope this is the same, because really I'm looking, I have so many whites. I have the same, I mean color, yeah. I have from Mango, NYX, New Look, and I don't like it. Doesn't fit nice or something. So, or sometimes it's like too long here, so I need to do like that, and I feel like, oh, I don't know. And sometimes also when after wash, this is my problem. So anyway, I'm always searching for a good trouser. So I grabbed also this one. So straight fit. I don't know if it's nice. Let's see the length. Okay. Oh, it's a bit long to me already. Yeah. Oh, it's not for sure. It's very long. Look at that. Yeah. Because before, you know, before, guys, I feel like I'm forcing myself, even if it's not like 100% nice, I'm forcing myself to keep it. Now, if I don't like it, I'll just return it. Okay, in IKEA. Oh my god, this is so heavy. So in IKEA, this is the, where is that? I hope there's no damage with it. Okay, this is the Hemnes storage. Oh my god, you cannot even see it like that. Oh my god, I need to open it later just to make sure that there's no damage. But anyway, guys, even if there's damage, you can request from IKEA, you know, like parts of it. Actually, last time when they deliver something here and then there's a little damage, they send me like after 3 days, after 1 week, something new, not totally new, just the part that is damaged. So that is really good. But I don't know if you just grab it from them. Like last time is delivery, but this one we just bought it in the store. So hopefully they have the same. Oh, I cannot even open. I hope they have the same rules, I guess. And then in Primark, oh, let me have this. This is, by the way, from Amazon. This is the one last time that I need to check for my son. I didn't even check it yet. Oh, your poles, yeah, for poles, fingertip. It's for kids. Actually, I didn't know that kids and adults are separate. So this is how it looks like. My son is in school right now. Oximeter. I don't know if I can test it or I just need to really wait for him. Oh, maybe I need to charge it first. Oh, does it look nice? I mean, oh, I feel like I think it's not so nice. Let's see, guys. I will check it. Anyway, it's from Amazon, so if it doesn't work, you can return it. But this is like that. And now, actually, I'm thinking, oh, they have like this. I'm thinking actually to buy another camera, because the one that I purchased last time, the Insta360 X5, it's like so fast become low bat or become hot, and I'm not so satisfied with it. So maybe I will buy either the DJI Osmo Pocket or the one that still Insta, but you know, nano, something like that. So I can just put it in here and then it will just film on its own. So anyway, from Primark, I bought this Halloween. Actually, I forgot this. I purchased this like when? No, 31st. Yeah, I purchased this and I didn't have time to put it outside. But anyway, it's okay because I will just use it for next year. So this is like a string. And it's £2 only. Supposedly it's £4 and £2. So it's battery operated. Like that. So maybe I'll just decor outside and it can be inside or out. Yeah, inside or outside. And just £2, you know, battery operated. Yeah, it's actually nice. Because right now, I realize my decor for the outside, most of the time I decorate my house outside for Christmas and Halloween, and I prefer it like with lights compared to just decor, because at night you cannot see it. Next is this one, £1. Just nothing. I like pens, small pens. And then gel pens, £4. You know, one time I purchased this, and then when they scan it, it's £2. But right now, and I said, oh, why it's £2? And they said, I don't know. And then now I purchased again because I thought it's £2, and then it's £4 now. So I don't know. Maybe that time it's sell and now it's not. And then I purchased this nipple petals. It's $2.50. I think I can buy cheaper online, but I don't know. I just grabbed that. Then this Halloween mask or something, 50 pence. So I bought it because it's 50 pence. Let's get the receipt. And then this is £1 from £2 for Halloween also. Let's see. Indoor. Yeah. Ah, okay. It's just for indoor. Okay, I didn't know this. I thought I could put it outside also, but it's okay. It's just £1. So yeah, just decorate also, maybe something inside the house. But I will check it, guys, and then store it. And oh, I have here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, this is the receipt that I'm searching for. Oh my goodness. Wait. Is it why it's like this? Here's the other part. Oh, it's not here. I hope I didn't throw it. Okay, this one is from New Look. Remember I showed you last time this, and I returned it. It's because I have mistake with the size. This is the true size. This is size 10 now, and it's not big. Because that one last time it's size 12. So this is the right size now. So I just exchanged it in New Look. But the way they do it is like they will refund you with the old one to your card, and then you have to pay for the new one. It's not like automatic exchange, you know. Okay, this one is from Sainsbury's. And how much is this, guys? $3.50, so like $1.70 something. Yeah, it's very cheap. Less than £2. This is for 9 years old for my son. So I'm purchasing clothes now for my son, 9, 10, 11. I don't buy like, you know. And this is sale also from Sainsbury's. Actually, they have so many sale. I purchased so much what is that? Sensodyne. It's because they have so much sale Sensodyne toothpaste. And this one is sale also. £4, I guess. Yeah. Okay. And then, by the way, guys, I forgot to show you before I do this another Primark here. This is from IKEA, and I like it, to be honest. I have planned to put it in the some of my table here. I mean, table chairs. It's because my son is using it, and sometimes, you know, my son is very like careful when he's eating, but you know, he's still a child, so sometimes he will maybe make a mess. So better to have this, or even in the couch. Actually, it's okay also in the couch. Yeah, and it's very soft. And I'm planning this to put in my office chair, because my office chair is IKEA also, and it's leather. So just to protect it. So yeah, just to maybe I add more. And I'm so happy with this also, guys. Let me show you this. This is just £9, and this is for my plants. Look, £9. This is 24 cm. 24 cm, guys. Oh, it's nice. So anyway, I purchased 2. I wanted to purchase more, but the person who is with me said, oh, you don't need that much. But I feel like I need much because I have so many plants. So I'm thinking maybe this one can fit, but definitely this. Definitely this one is here. Yeah, look, becomes so pretty after. Let's see what happened to this. And we put it here because this one is just temporary. It's not really for this. This is for storage. I just use it for the meantime because I cannot find any pots. I mean, like vase. Actually, I'm looking for in B&M, but they don't have like this. I like this white and bigger than this even, but I cannot find. And online I didn't find also. So I'm searching for a big one still. But so far so good. Maybe for this other one, I will see. And then I purchased this too. This is just £3, but this is really great for storage. So yeah, for my son's toys, my son's things, really good for storage, guys. Very durable, even if you know you don't care about it. So durable. And let's go. I'm done, almost done. Let's go because I'm going out to film. Oh my god, I have 5 minutes more. So this is Cell and £8. Then I purchased it for £4, half price. So I love Cell. I will not buy if it's not Cell unless I need it really. But even if I don't need and it's Cell, I will buy it. To be honest, my sons have so many lunch boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And I still keep on buying. Because sometimes I feel, I don't know, it's so cute. I like it anyway. And sometimes I give it to some friends like that. So it's alright. And then another Halloween decor that I didn't put outside, which I will use it for next year because it's Cell. Why not buy it now? And then this is £2 from £4. All I have to do is check if it's working. Because what's the, you know, it's Cell and then it's not working. So actually in Sainsbury's, guys, they have so many Cell and I wanted to buy. They have actually like this also, but it's more expensive, £6. But I don't know if the size is bigger or smaller. So, oh, like this. Ah, they have suction also. Oh, that's pretty nice. So how is it? Is it battery? Ah, okay, it's like battery. Indoor. So this is just really for indoor and battery operated. Okay, pretty nice. £2, yeah. So I saved already. This is £2, which is £4. This is £1 from £2. So I saved. And I'm thinking, I'm not so sure yet, but in B&M last time I saw pumpkin Halloween decor that have sounds and it's moving also. It's for £10, but I'm not sure because I bought the witch already, which is not Cell, but I don't know why I purchased so early for it. I should wait for the Cell, you know. Another this is £7 and now £4. Spider window web. I have so many Halo for next year. Oh, okay, this is pretty good because they have suction already, so I don't need to worry about it. Oh, okay, but it should be really in the window. Yeah, okay, I will check it everything later. But anyway, when you put it in, it's like this. Yeah, like spiders. So my window is so small. How can I put these two together? Maybe can be, might be one up, one down. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how I will do it. And another mask. To be honest, before I don't put facial mask to myself, but now I'm starting to put at least once a week. So yeah, for 80 pound only for my son, 7 to 8. I just purchased advance, guys. But honestly, sometimes I just need to purchase because I'm going to the shop and then I'm shy not buying anything. So that's the reason also. So this is like not in one go. This is like 3 days, 3 different shops or 2 different shops. And this is gel sol. 250 only. But I think online is cheaper. But yeah, because I'm shopping in Primark, I need to purchase, guys. I mean, I'm window shopping, I'm filming, so you know, I don't want to go out of the shop that I didn't buy anything. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. That's all. I need to arrange and go to film again, and I hope you continue supporting me. And please, if you didn't subscribe yet, do subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified every time I upload. But anyway, every day I upload. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye.